Before Earth had oceans, continents, or even its very first mineral, there was only a swirling, collapsing cloud of gas and dust. This was the solar nebula, born from the ashes of ancient, long-dead stars. Then, 4.6 billion years ago, gravity took command. The nebula collapsed. A cosmic whirlpool formed, and the solar system, our planetary home, erupted into existence. This is the geological birth of everything we stand on. It all started with the birth of our sun. At the center of that collapsing nebula, gravity crushed hydrogen until it ignited in a spectacular burst of fusion. A new star was born, our sun, a nuclear reactor so powerful it lit up the entire infant system. Immense solar winds blasted outward, sweeping lighter materials far from the center, while heavier elements remained close. In that cosmic furnace, the chemical architecture of our solar system was established. Metals and silicates stayed near the sun, ices and volatile gases were pushed outward, and in the cold frontier, the gas giants began to grow. This was planetary sorting, the cosmic equivalent of igneous differentiation. Around the newborn sun, the remaining gas and dust flattened into a vast, spinning protoplanetary disk. Inside this cosmic factory, microscopic grains of dust collided and stuck together. Dust became pebbles, pebbles grew into boulders, and boulders merged into kilometer-scale planetesimals. This disk was a mineral factory, crystallizing the first solids in our solar system. These were the calcium-aluminum-rich inclusions, the chondrules, and the metal grains. They are the oldest rocks we can ever touch, the geochemical fingerprints of our sun's birth. Then, the rocky planets emerged. Planetary embryos collided and merged with unimaginable violence. These impacts were so powerful they melted entire worlds, creating vast, roaring oceans of magma. Heavy iron sank to the center, forming metallic cores. Lighter silicates rose to the surface, forming mantles and crusts. This is how the four terrestrial planets took shape. Mercury, a giant with a massive metallic core. Venus, a volcanic furnace world. Earth, the only planet we know with active plate tectonics. And Mars, the frozen remnant of an ancient, watery past. Every planet is a different solution to the same cosmic equation. Far beyond the inner worlds, past a boundary we call the frost line, sunlight is weak and temperatures plummet. Here, massive planetary cores rapidly accreted hydrogen and helium from the nebula to become the gas giants. Jupiter, the failed star that shaped the orbits of everything else. And Saturn, the ringed giant, sculpted by gravity and ice. Still farther out, with less gas to capture, the ice giants formed. Uranus, tipped on its side, a geochemical anomaly. And Neptune, the wind giant, ruler of the cold frontier. The immense gravity of these outer giants sculpted the asteroid belts, redirected comets, and helped stabilize the orbits of the inner planets, including our own. But not everything became a planet. Planetary embryos that never merged became the asteroids. Icy leftovers from the system's formation became comets. Objects captured by gravity became moons. And titanic collisions produced rings, impact basins, and entire moon systems. The asteroid belt is a museum of planetary raw materials. The Kuiper belt is a frozen archive of the early solar system. And the distant Oort cloud is a spherical halo of icy relics, marking the farthest boundary of the sun's influence. Finally, Earth became a living planet. A Mars-sized body struck our young world, a cataclysm that created a global magma ocean. The debris from this collision formed our moon. The moon's gravity created tides, which stabilized Earth's rotation. The crust cooled, oceans condensed from steam, and in those primordial waters life emerged. The atmosphere stabilized and plate tectonics activated. Earth became the only planet we know where geology, water, and biology dance together in a single, complex system. So, when you look up at the sky, remember this cosmic chain. Your bones carry calcium forged in dying stars. Your blood carries iron forged in supernova. The planet beneath your feet is the crystallized debris of ancient cosmic collisions. The solar system is not just your home. It is your ancestry, your heritage, your origin story. Every mineral, every world, every single atom traces its lineage back to the chaotic birth of the sun. The solar system is the grand geological laboratory of the universe, and Earth is its masterpiece. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stories from our cosmic past.